That thing's got a rounded edge on it. I want to try and square it up right here on the edge. Alright, so what they've done is they've somehow got something in there that it looks like it's tried to strip it out. So I got the end of this one cleaned up and flattened as much as possible, and I just hit the grinder wheels here just to kind of give it some gripping power. And I want to run this little bottle of MAP gas up in there and see if I can get this hot. This differential does not have any oil in it at the current moment because I drained it through the back, but I need to fill it through here. I want to tap that a little bit too. Make sure if there's any more garbage in there, it'll push it out. Oh, it's going to cam itself out, isn't it? It's definitely in there. I found this retired breaker bar, kind of clean the end up so it wasn't rounded. Try that and see if maybe that'll do it. Oh geez, that dude is tight. Get some heat in there. Oh, geez. Looks like it's going. Oh my gosh. Whew. Almost thought I was going to have to break out the welder. That's why you don't want to always throw your old retired tools away. Sometimes you can make them work for you. You can see how sharp those square edges are. That's just enough to bite in, and I also took the grinder and kind of flash ground them just a little bit to kind of give them a little bit of extra grinding, because the chrome doesn't want to dig in. So there's your another thumbs up, even though it's probably upside down. Thank you for watching.